Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're on this 2019 Seat Leon. If you've got the P210200 Throttle Actuator control motor set at low, so I'll show you where it is as a guidance, and then it's down to you what you want to do, but I will give you some advice as well. So it is found here. This is it here. That's the component. It's a bit of a tricky one to get to, but that's your throttle body. There's a few ways around it. Either it's been clogged because it's diesel, it's a 1.6 diesel, and it just needs a clean. Do that. If it works, good. If not, we always say buy an aftermarket, well, not aftermarket, but like a genuine second, genuine new, not even used, because sometimes used will be in the same boat as you are. It'll be a case of plug and play, nothing else. But the location would be here, guys, nowhere else, just here, as we said. Check the wiring, obviously, make sure that there is power going to it. If it is, good. If not, then that means you've got some issue with the wiring system.